I am going to Lost in Dreams today, and I shouldn't be making a video right now because I'm driving, but it's been so long. The last time I filmed a video was at EDC, and I honestly miss editing my own stuff. I've been just working and editing for clients. It's getting old. Today is gonna be day one. I'm most excited to see Audion Dab the Sky, which is Dabin and Set the Sky. This is not like my favorite festival. I actually got tickets from my friend Lynn because she always like gets me tickets and I love her, but she bailed last minute because of work. So I'm taking my friend Emily. We're picking up Alex on the way, and I will see you guys in. All right, you guys, so I picked up Emily and Alex. Alex, say hi.
Hello.
He's delirious right now.
What?
If you're gonna be weird, like I have to be.
What do you mean weird? I'm holding
it on him.
This is your card. What are you talking about?
For round one?
Yeah.
So say hi to my YouTube guys.
Hi.
Hello.
See, he's being so weird. Okay, we're waiting for our Uber to go into Lost in Dreams.
Help me. I'm being kidnapped.
Nobody would want to kidnap him, first of all. So that's a lie.
My liver's worked. Actually, not.
This is the outfit. This is the top. Shein. Shorts from Forever. Emily. Black top, boobs on bottom. Shorts on bottom. So cute. And then Alex, fur on jacket.
Okay, yeah, I respect that.
Oh my god, that was actually really funny.
That was funny.
That was really good.
No, and he takes it well sometimes, and it's funnier.
What do you mean sometimes?
Because sometimes you get like offended, and I get scared. Like
I actually don't get offended.
I only make fun of people I'm comfortable with too. So it's like if I made fun of you, that means I'm comfortable.
You should be uncomfortable.
Ew.
I'm kidding.
That's so scary.
I'm kidding.
Why do they think I'm leaving? I'm not leaving. Oh yeah, so we're next to Alpine Park.
Oh, that's the Uber.
Wait, oh my god.
Oh my god, Alex.
Alex, what are you doing?
I didn't realize. I was like, wait a minute.
You guys, help.
This is what we have to deal with. Just kidding.
Relax.
Just kidding.
Okay, see you guys inside. We made it inside and we are on our way to the main stage to find a group of friends. So day one, it was not that crowded. I really liked this venue and I didn't think I would. It was really pretty and I liked the casual vibe. This is so cute. But I just can't make it sound. Okay, this is the second stage. That was the first stage that you just saw back there. Oh shit.
Oh, so that's where it gets crowded.
I think that's the main stage. A lot of food trucks here. I heard the food was actually really good at this event. I wish I went to the 626 night market with the Lost in Dreams stage. And yes, we are still walking. This is a pretty big venue. When I heard LA Historic Park, since I've never been here, for some reason, I thought it was going to be really small, but it was actually pretty big. Yeah, but I don't want to wear it if it's going to be crazy cold.
It'll probably be about the same temperature.
Yeah, it's kind of nice right now.
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, for dancing.
It is like all Asian.
Yeah, I have to put away my camera because I'm getting like anxiety. So I'll be back. Listen to the music in the background and I have to talk over it. I'm so sorry. YouTube, don't copyright me. So right after this, I went to go find our friend group because one of our friends went to go and find our friend and was unsuccessful like 3 times. LOL. finally met everyone up and we're all so excited. We made it inside.
Wow. And 4 birds.
The only one for me. I did not think that I would be hearing Paramore here, but I am so happy I did because I love this song. Why is it facing down? Okay, so here I am dancing. Jenna is holding the camera for me, and I'm talking again just to not get copywritten. But this part is almost over. And if you could, then you know you would. 'Cause God, it just feels so. By the way, this is DJ Clivon. The sun has officially set. As you can see, it is nighttime, and we went way closer to the stage.
Oh my God, we did
The worst part about this is that YouTube didn't tell me which parts were blocked, like which songs, I don't know. But for my first time ever at A Lost in Dreams, I enjoyed day one so much. This was one of the best festivals I've ever been to.
I like myself.
I kept looking over there because I thought that these were fireworks. These are not fireworks. It's a drink break. Drink break with Aunt Jenna and Emily. I needed water. Water, please.
No, he still has water. What do you want? There's only one water.
Thank you, Aunt.
You have to carry it too.
No, the guy tried to kiss her. Why are you laughing? Where's Aunt? Oh my god. No, that guy tried to. I'll see you guys in my car. I just wanted to keep you updated. No, it's so nice that we're beating the crowd. Trust me. Yeah, interesting. I just met Arm & Hammer. I met Joseph Chung from Arm & Hammer. He just casually was talking to me as I was walking out. Right, you guys?
She got hit on.
Yeah.
Stop. They're spreading rumors.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, we are going to go to Academy, but this is the end of day 1, and I will see you for day 2. Bye, guys.
Oh, help.
I'm with Lynn. We're going to day 2, Lost in Dreams. Who are you most excited to see?
7 Lines.
Of
hands
course.
down. Yeah.
Same.
Arm & Hammer. And Adventure Club.
Can you hold this?
Part. You know what?
Hold it so that
Okay.
it gets both of us. What are you? You're like holding it down here just for you.
It's all about me. No, just kidding.
No, but you weren't even getting you. You were just holding it. Okay, I'm driving, so this is good because yesterday I was filming while driving, which was bad. But we're near my place and we're heading to Chinatown.
Yes. En route to Chinatown.
I'm excited. We're getting a banana for me right now
Yeah.
for energy.
Or
Okay.
the cramps.
For the cramps.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll do a fit check when we're walking to the festival. Oh my god, I need help. Help! Look at my shirt.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay, we'll see you there. We're walking in. No hot dogs. It does. Oh, we're walking in. But they're gonna have to search my stuff. That's true. We're so naked. What are they gonna search? I should have worn stockings. Okay, see you guys. We're inside. Happy birthday. Okay. We're waiting for somebody because I don't know what they're doing actually. Sean. I forgot my earrings, you guys. I'm sad.
I'm sad too that we're just standing here.
It's so much more crowded than yesterday. Okay, day 2 thoughts. It was so packed. This is the view from VIP. How do we make it to VIP? It's a secret.
Here we go!
This was Arm & Hammer's set. This was my favorite set of the night. Out of the 2 days, this was not my favorite set. They did a great job. Arm & Hammer is just not my type of music. I was just grateful to be here with Lynn and so grateful that we found our other friends in VIP because if it wasn't for that, the night would not have been as fun. And this was like right before the crazy, severely injured me happened where something went in my eye and I basically couldn't take any other videos and you will see in the end why. And I kept missing all the fireworks on video, so there's that too. I have a filter on because I just got home from Lost in Dreams and my eye is like, look at it. I don't know what happened. Like somebody was either headbanging and their like part of their backpack hit my eye or someone just threw something at the crowd
and it hit my eye, and it's like injured now. Like, I have lash extensions, and like this part, all of this part, all the lash extensions came off, and I had to leave the festival. I'm so sad. I mean, not gonna lie, I had a way more fun yesterday. Today's sets were just like not giving for me, but who would have thought you could get injured at a festival? I was not expecting this. Send help.